Fitbit Charge 5 Health and Wellness Pricing. Explain what you get for your money. The Fitbit Charge 5 costs around $95, with an optional Fitbit Premium subscription at $99 per month for advanced analytics. Most people assume it's just a step tracker, but the surprising truth is that it's a comprehensive health and wellness device. It tracks heart rate, sleep stages, SPO levels, skin temperature, and stress management metrics. Daily readiness scores help you balance workouts and recovery, while built-in GAs tracks outdoor runs and cycling without your phone. With Fitbit Premium, you get guided workouts, health reports, and personalized insights. For your money, you get a SIM, lightweight tracker with a bright color display, advanced health sensors, and integration with your phone for notifications and apps. It's ideal for anyone who wants more than basic activity tracking, a tool for overall wellness. In conclusion, the Fitbit Charge 5 combines fitness tracking, sleep monitoring, and wellness insights into a single, affordable device, offering great value for anyone committed to improving their health.